As technology grows, so does our connectivity. But technology has increased global connectivity at the cost of local connectivity, caused detriment to modern brick stores, and contributed to more obesity. Beyond the stream of hyperlinks and web pages, the internet should also allow us to travel to places physically here in the world. The web should allow us to represent ourselves in ways more physical than just profile pictures, status updates, and about yous. No browser captures that physical freedom. Imagine the possibilities with today's imaging technology. Imagine a browser that enabled you to see the world through your own eyes. Imagine that you could explore your local area, seeing the things that you never expected in your backyard. Or perhaps you never wanted to get there by car. Maybe you wanted to walk. Imagine traveling abroad, all without physically being there. What kinds of crazy, odd, and beautiful things would you see? Imagine a browser that not only stimulated your sight, but stimulated other senses. How would you experience the world? Imagine that local businesses could thrive, using their web space as advertising or as an online venue. Imagine all kinds of businesses coming together onto one platform. Imagine you can put yourself in the shoes of a virtual you. Imagine a virtual you that could express emotions in the ways you want them expressed, just at the click of a mouse. Imagine the ways you could interact with other people. Imagine the ways you could interact with other places. Imagine that you could share your successes with other people, your friends and family, across the world. I dream that people will explore. First, maybe young early adopters, and then all kinds of web users. People will see more of the real world. People will want to get off their chairs and really explore. A browser that will get you to see more places, appreciate more sights, and taste more flavors. This is my dream. I present to you the People and Places Project.